Hi, everybody. You're welcome to lesson 83. And in today's lesson, we will learn how to solve shared work problems. Right, now let's dive into it. Let's look at the given problem. John and Eric work together in installing new sets of tires on vehicles. John takes 45 minutes to install a set, while Eric takes 30 minutes. How long will it take both of them to working together to install a set of tires? All right. Now, we know that um, John takes 45 minutes. So we use a special equation, and that is uh, 1 over 45 minutes. In other words, we take a unit of the time um, uh, John takes. Is 1 out of 45. And then we add it to a unit of the time Eric takes, which will be 1 over 30. And this should equal to 1 over a variable, say n. That's when both are working together. So we have an equation of this nature. So we then move on to get rid of the fractions by multiplying through by the lowest common denominator. And here the lowest common denominator should be 90. So we multiply 90 through every term of our equation. So 90 multiplied by 1 over 45 plus 90 multiplied by 1 over 30 will give us 1 over n multiplied by 90. Now this will give us 2 plus 3, which will equal 2 over 90 over n. So next, we have to simplify this. This will be 5 is equal to 90n. And now once isolate n, and we'll do it by multiplying everywhere by n. So multiply by n and multiply by n here. And eventually we'll have 5n is equal to 90. Then we divide by 5 on both sides of the equation, and we find that n will equal to 1, 8. And these will be the minutes. So that will be our answer. When both John and Eric work together, they will take 18 minutes to finish one set of tires, to finish installing one set of tires. All right then. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in the next lesson. And bye for now.